So guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you are good. All right, so in this video I'm going to be sharing with you some mistakes I learned, okay, and how you can actually learn from my mistake so that you not make the same mistake I've been making. Okay, so in forex trading you should know that you are bound to make some mistake or take some decisions that are not actually going to be of kind of best impact to your trading. Okay, so I make mistakes, I lose some money. Sometimes the only thing I have recently have developed, I've built to some levels that I no longer blow accounts, right? But if it is losses, I lose some trades. Okay, but the only thing is that I can't blow account because of the account, how I manage my trade and all that. So, and I'm consistently making money. It might not be that big, but always making money at the end of the week, at the end of the month, at the end of the year. Okay, you are profitable. It doesn't mean so. What I'm trying to share with you today, in the process of flipping accounts, I'm not a fan of flipping accounts, but I decided to just do it. Okay, not actually for fun, but for learning. Okay, I want to learn. Try to do that, from there improve, and maybe from there I can actually start doing that. Okay, and even teaching people how to flip accounts. Now I've made a lot of mistake, and I have corrected my mistake. Okay, that's the most important thing. You make mistake, you correct yourself, and you continue. So in this video I'm going to share the mistakes I made in flipping accounts. Okay, so when you are flipping accounts, you should learn from this. So if you look at this particular account, I've already flipped this account to close to, I want to take the account from $100, okay, to $200 in that is I used like very risk, I kind of I managed the account very well. So my plan was to do it within 1 week, which is a lot of time, right? So but the first 2 days I was able to, that is the first day, I was able to flip the account from $100 to 160, I think 160 or so, or $170, which I shared maybe in the previous videos. Okay, now what happened is that today, which is the second day, okay, I took a lot of losses. You can see from here. Okay, I lost from VS25. I made some money back. I lost money from this crash 500. But if you look at the losses, okay, if you look at the losses, you can see I'm just losing because I made multiple entries, okay, as usual. Now if you look what happened right there, you can see the losses was very small. You can see the losses, one, the highest is one, you have 0 point something, 0 point something, 0 point something, and one. But just look at what happened right here on step index. Okay, at this point I lost $9. Okay, that is using this is a $100 account. Okay, now what is the problem, what is the issue? I discovered something. Okay, whenever you are flipping an account, I want you to stick to less volatile indices or pairs, whether you are trading currency or static indices or any of these things you are trading, financial instrument you are trading. Stick to less volatile pairs whenever you are trading with a small account, whenever you want to flip accounts. For me, this is my own observation and what I've learned. Okay, now stick to less volatile pair, and also stick to few indices. So if you look at my listing now, you can see I only have only boom 1000, crash 1000, boom 500, crash 500, volatility 25, um volatility 10, and boom 300. So why have I selected this? And that's the only thing I will be using to flip account anytime I want to flip account, because I discovered that when I trade step index, trade VS75, when you are flipping account, you lose, like the loss is always high, right? If you look at this trade I'm currently on, I'm just risking like $2 per trade. Okay, I'm just risking $2 per trade on this trade. So you can see, if even though if the price, okay, even if the price go against me, after entering like 10 trades, right, I'm just losing about, let's say, $20, 10 positions. But you can see right here, use it from my history, just one trade, one sell on step index, I lost $9 at a go, just one. So what it means is that you can actually lose money easily when you are trading those kind of instruments, and you can make it easily. So if you are flipping accounts, you need to trade something that can actually give you that confidence, because you don't want to blow your account out of proportion, that you will be, your emotion will be attached, and you definitely make some silly mistake that will help you blow the account finally. So what you need to do is to stick to something that when you lose, you'll be confident that you are going to recover it. And now you can actually make some money through catching of spikes, and you go against spike, it will take the profit you made. So you just take decision of what to do. Now I'm going to be trading only with the spike. I don't want to trade against spike whenever I'm flipping account. That might be your own decision. Then stick to it and never run from one thing to another. Even though you know price action, you know some setup, you are good with a lot of strategies, but if you want to flip account, from what I've learned, I stick to only one strategy, and I focus on only catching spikes, and also, okay, sticking to those indices with less that is a low move. The movement is not actually that uh, uh, will I say high? But what I'm trying to say is that when you are wrong, you shouldn't lose much, because if you lose much, those things is going to bring your moment, like your energy down, and sometimes it will trigger you to start placing some or taking unnecessary risk. So at the end of the day, you will lose the account. Whenever you are flipping an account, the tendency of losing the account is high, right? So you need to also apply caution whenever you are flipping an account. Okay, so that's exactly few things I've learned, trying to flip account, and that's the reason why I feel like, okay, it's nice if I can actually share this secret with you guys. So if you want to do that flipping, please stick to one strategy, okay, stick to one setup, then don't trade those pairs that are highly volatile, okay, and also don't use big lots. You can actually divide your entries into 2 or 3, then keep stacking in, okay, keep stacking in, and make sure you are not risking the whole account at a go. When you are flipping accounts, you are risking high, right? Maybe you have $100 account or $200 account, you should be risking about, this is my own personal, what I do, I risk between 10 to 20% of my accounts per trade. Maybe it could be one trade or multiple trades, right? So if you are flipping an account, you should be ready to take some risk, and you should be also careful of the instruments you are trading. You should stick to few. Don't trade everything, because you can make money from boom, and you go to volatility and lose the money. You can make money from volatility, you come to boom and crash, you lose it. So if you stick to boom and crash, the losses is going to reduce, and the tendency of trying to take some unnecessary risk is going to reduce too. So I hope this is going to be helpful in your journey, trading journey, or if you want to try flipping account, the same thing. So this is what I've learned, and I hope you also learn from my mistakes, okay, as I continue to recover my losses for the day. So that's that for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget that I will never chat you up for any reason. I won't send you any file for any reason. I won't come to your DM for any reason. So if anybody is chatting you up, claiming to be KingSFS, or sending you files, anything like that, know that I'm not the one, okay? I will leave the link to the Telegram group in the description, okay? Join the group, and also I'll be dropping some free signals in the group also. So that's that for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now, guys.